Harshni. Today I am tell about sloka on Kartika Masa. Na Kartika Maso Samona Krupen Samam Yugam na Veda Sadrusham Shastra na Teetham Gangaya Samam Sarva Papaharam Punyam Vratam Kartika Sambhavam Nirvignam Kurume Deva Damodar Namostute. It means there is no month equal to Kartika. There is no Sanskrit equal to the Vedas. There is no religion place equal to the Ganges. May all troubles go away. It's the merit of salvation to called Damodara 100 times. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Privashni. I am studying in 8th class. Today door word instruction meaning detailed information about do something should be done. The verb form of instruction is instruct. The adjective form of instruction is an instructive. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sarata. I am from 8th class. Today thought of the day. To live a creative life, we must lose out the fear of being wrong. It suggests that the fear of being wrong can hold people back from exploring new ideas, taking risks, and expressing themselves authentically. To live a creative life, one must be willing to take chances and accept that errors are a natural part of the process. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lahaka. I am studying 8th class. Today's specialty National Nut Day. It is a good holiday celebrating a healthy and nutritious snack. Nuts are energy source and are a primary source of nuts for both humans and wildlife.
Good morning everyone, myself Shaila. Today great personality, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a pivotal Indian leader and freedom fighter, earning the title Iron Man of India from his firm leadership and role in integrating over 560 princely states into a single nation after independence. As a key figure in the Indian National Congress and a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi, he successfully led non-violent civil disobedience movements against the British rule. Patel became India's first Deputy Prime Minister, playing a crucial role in shaping the new nation. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Privashni. Today AP News. Nara Lokesh, Andhra Pradesh. IT Minister embarked on a week long tour of Australia to foster partnerships and investments. He aimed to enhance collaboration in technology, STEM, education and sustainable urban development. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Bhagyashree from 8th class. Today, National Day. The Prime Minister loaded the government services in counter Naxalism. It is because of the valor and courage of our security force that the country has achieved another major success in recent years. And this achievement in the elimination of major terrorism. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, B. Mancharan. I am studying 8th class. Today's special news. Record number of lamps lit in India's holy city of Ayodhya as part of Diwali celebration. India began celebrating the annual Hindu festival of lights Diwali by symbolically lighted a record 2.6 million clear oil lamps on Sunday in northern India city. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is K. Hemant. I am studying 8th class. On 19th October Sunday, India vs Australia, the toughest rivalry in the world. Indian captain Shubman Gill were gone for 10 runs and Indian big guns Rocco were also disappointed the fans and his team. KL Rahul were the highest scorer in India. Australia dominated the match. Captain Mitchell Marsh scored 45 runs out, not out. They finished the match in 23 overs out of 26 overs. Australia vice captain Travis had for only 8 runs. Australia achieved dominant win. Thank you.
Now, Harshni are going to tell a story.
Good morning to everyone. Today I will tell a story on salt, glass of water and the lake. Once an unhappy young man came to an old master and told he had very sad life and asked for a solution. The old man The old master instructed the unhappy young man to put a handful of salt in a glass of water and then to drink it. How does it taste? The master asked. Terribly, shouted the young man. The master chuckled and then asked the young man to take another handful of salt and put in the lake. The old master said that now drink from the lake. As the water trickled down, the young man chilled. The master asked, how does it taste? Good, remarked the young man. Do you taste the salt? Asked the master. No, said the young man. The master sat beside the troubled young man, took his hand and said, the pain of life is pure salt. No more, no less. The amount of pain is life remains the same, exactly the same. But the amount we taste the pain depend on the container we put into. Moral of the story. So then you are in the pain. The only thing you can do is know and enlarge your sense of things. Stop being a glass, become a lake. Thank you.
Now Privashni and Indu are going to sing a song on Lord Krishna.
कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं कृष्णं गतविषय कृष्णं जगत्प्रभ कृष्णं गतविषय कृष्णं जगत्प्रभ विष्णुं सुरारिगणजिष्णुं सदा बालकृष्णं गतविषय कृष्णं जगत्प्रभ विष्णुं सुरारिगणजिष्णुं सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरम् नृत्यन्तमिह नृत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यन्तमिह नृत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यानुकूलमखिल सत्यं सदा बालनृत्यन्तमिह नृत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यानुकूलमखिल सत्यं सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरम् धीरं भवजलधि पारं सकलविद धीरं भवजलधि पारं सकलविद सारं समस्तयोगितारं सदा बालधीरं भवजलधि पारं सकलविद सारं समस्तयोगितारं सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरम् शृङ्गाररसभर सङ्गीत साहित्य शृङ्गाररसभर सङ्गीत साहित्य गङ्गलहरि केल सङ्गं सदा बाल शृङ्गाररसभर सङ्गीत साहित्य गङ्गलहरि केल सङ्गं सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरम् रामेण जगदपि रामेण बलभद्र रामेण जगदपि रामेण बलभद्र रामेण सहभक्त कामेन सदा बाल रामेण जगदपि रामेण बलभद्र रामेण सहभक्त कामेन सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरम् अर्धं श्रीदिलकृतनर्धं श्रीनारायण अर्धं श्रीदिलीकृतनर्धं श्रीनारायण तीर्थं परमपुरुषार्थं सदा बाल अर्धं श्रीदिलीकृतनर्धं श्रीनारायण तीर्थं परमपुरुषार्थं सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं. Thank you.